Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV. And today we are checking in from the Homewood Suites Hotel in Montreal, Midtown. Let me give you guys a quick tour. So it is February. We're in room number 928. And when we pulled into the hotel, what we noticed right away is everything is shared between the Hilton Garden Inn and Homewood Suites. So the parking is shared, the building is shared, probably the pool is probably shared. And I was told that the Homewood Suites is basically more spacious rooms. Comes with a kitchenette, which I'm showing you guys right now. So this is our fridge. It's a really good sized fridge, actually. So let's see if we have, well, there's only one bowl in there, but I'm assuming this is kind of like an Airbnb type of setup. Yeah, there you go. So we have a toaster, we have glasses, plates, and so on and so forth. A small sink. Yeah, nice kitchenette. A little dining table / desk. That's a modern looking thermostat. That's pretty cool. And yeah, so we're room number 928. This is a king size bed, and then we have a pull-out couch right here. Yeah, everything's really modern, clean. The service was really good. Check-in experience was pleasant. And it looks like this is a part of town that's growing fast. Lots of construction going on, so the views are so-so. Okay, back to the room tour. So yeah, everything's clean, it smells good, it looks good. This is a nice vanity. Okay, modern. Nice closet. And then here's the bathroom. So there's no bathtub, it's a walk-in shower. Yeah, everything's nice and clean. It feels like, and it seems like it's a pretty new hotel. Okay guys, let me know if you stayed here before. This is my first time at a Homewood Suites. I've stayed at Hilton Garden Inns before. Not too impressed, to be honest with you, but so far this is actually really nice. Yeah, let me know if you stayed here before. Let me know what your experience was in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.